I'll be 50 years old next July, so I'm starting a new series called Fit Before 50. This is going to be a 1-year journey of my life, showing you guys everything I'm doing, feel good about myself, not just physically, but with my health and also mentally. I share with you guys all my beauty tools I'll use on my face. But I've been slacking off on my body and my health as well, so I'm creating this series to truly get myself focused, maybe inspire you to join me on this journey. Hi everyone, this is Darcy. My channel is all about aging gracefully and feeling your best at any age. So if you want to join this community, make sure to subscribe and hype this video if you want to see more videos like this from me. I feel 50 is truly a milestone in somebody's life because you reach a point in your life that you are looking back on the things you did and forward on the things you want to achieve. I'm going through a little bit of a midlife crisis right now. I'm perimenopausal. I'm actually very sedentary right now. I haven't exercised in a very long time. I'm finding it really hard to find the motivation to exercise. I found rebounding through my research, and what I like about it is that it's super simple but powerful. Rebounder is basically a mini trampoline. It has a lot of benefits for not just your cardio, but your balance, your mind. It builds strength. It is low impact. Even though it's a very low impact exercise, it actually can help your muscle, help your core, help your metabolism, help your lymphatic system, helps your muscles. So it has everything I need at this stage of my life. Love the rebounding I'm using, which is the BCAM 84 soft landing. What I love about this rebounder is that basically came assembled. I just had to put the legs. So I was done in 10 minutes. Very well made, very sturdy. There's no sounds. It's very quiet. It can take up to 500 pounds. There's 6 levels of tension, but I'm just using the basic one. But it's nice that it comes with extra tension if you want to add some more later. It has a handlebar that is adjustable, so you can put it at any height. It even has a cell phone attachment, which I'm not using because I'm actually just doing it in my living room. So I just turned the TV on. And it's really nice because my son has been using it as well, especially on rainy days. It helps him get out the energy. It is not for kids, but my son has been using safely. And that's why I like that it has a handle. So that way he can hold and not just fall off the rebounding. So I love the handle for that reason as well. It's a great exercise for any age, but especially if you're over 50 because low impact, soft on your joints. And I also like that you don't have to jump high to see the benefits. I'm starting with something called Healthy Bounce. Healthy Bounce, it is a super easy way to start. You're just bouncing on the rebounding, your feet hip width apart, bouncing up and down without jumping. That's when I'm starting. And I read great benefits for just the healthy bouncing. So I'll be doing that for 30 days and keep you guys posted on that. But I'm starting with the basics because the most important thing about any fitness journey or any challenge is to start with something that you can keep consistency. So for me, I found it really easy to keep up 10 minutes by doing that. I just put some TV on and just do it for 10 minutes. I did take before and after so I can keep you guys posted on my journey. I just started, so I'll keep you posted on my results. If you're interested on the BCAM BT4, I'll leave the link on the description box below with my coupon code so you can save some money. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.